make sure you all test negative. If you have the virus, go and urinate it outside.
I'd like to welcome you all aboard this wonderful bus. If you are here, you are heading towards Accra. If you are not, please, I suggest you get down and find your own bus, because once this foot presses that accelerator, we are not stopping. Today and forever. You have a small problem. Engine failure.
So what are we going to do?
There's a motel not too far from here, just a few kilometers.
My name is Madam Tasty. I'm the manager here, and you are welcome to the Blue Palace Motel.
This whole building, no Netflix.
It gives the place a whole retreat feel.
Following the press conference, His Excellency has announced the lockdown for the next 2 weeks due to the ongoing coronavirus, that is COVID-19 outbreak.
Don't tell me you people also believe this corona nonsense. The whole world, out of nowhere, virus. Somebody is lying to us.
Where's my sanitizer?
Can I still join you guys to sleep in the bus?
No, you like trouble.
Oh, Thomas is coming.
What did you say?
You were opening Deuteronomy. I can tell. Hello, shit.
Who touched you?
Oh my God, you called violating a child's rights, love? I'm just asking you to do this small thing.
You are asking me to deny my religion here.
This is about last night.
She was just surprised, that's all.
What can I say? I miss my tasty
People are dying, and you are making light of it, all in the name of religion.
The God I serve is bigger than any pandemic.
Let me hear you say.
Philip, are you okay? Are you okay?
Hey guys, move away from me. He has the virus. Wow, what's it? Hey, me, I'm fashion man. What?